Alright, welcome back. Today we are doing how to hide column in a table. So I've already got my test table here, and I will pick the third column to hide. So if we want, what if we wanted to hide all of these three cells without deleting the data? How do we do that with CSS? To do this, our table is called test table with an ID, and we are going to hide the third. So we're going to use the nth child on the TD to hide this. So our CSS will look like this table, and then we have our ID test table. You could use a class if you prefer, and then we're going to target the TD of our table here, and then the nth child, which will be 1, 2, and 3 of 3. So that's now targeted. Can't see my keyboard. If we wanted to then say color, I can't type again, color red. So then we can make sure that we're targeting it properly. So we now, this is how we target the third row. Wait a minute, is that a column or a row? That's a column, isn't it? All right, we're targeting the third column. And if we wanted to hide this row instead of deleting the data, this will just hide it from the browser, but the data will still be there. We can just type in display and none. And then we reload and we can see we have cell 1, 2, 4, and 5. So that hides, doesn't actually delete, but it hides from the browser the third column. Did I say row before? I think I did. Anyway, that is how you do it. That's how you target a row in HTML and tables. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.